Yeah, but the list of politicians, celebrities, and athletes getting tested growing by the day. Tonight, Astrid in the ATL taking a look at complaints that famous people are getting special treatment.
Well, it seems if you need a coronavirus test, being rich and famous might help. This past week, we've seen a number of celebrities, social media influencers, and politicians get their hands on this vital test, even without having symptoms. Now, this accusation of preferential treatment has even reached the White House.
Don't you understand? The water is freezing and there aren't enough boats.
When the Titanic was sinking, the priority was to save women and children.
Half the people on the ship are going to die.
Not the better half.
But the rescue started with the first-class section.
What are we doing, Mommy? When they finish putting first-class people on the boats, they'll be starting with us.
While that was a movie, it seems that caring for the wealthy and powerful in real life is also a priority.
What, corona?
Yeah, I had to do a test, but it came back negative, though.
Rapper Drake announced to his father on Instagram that he was tested for the deadly virus, even without showing symptoms.
Everyone be careful. Take care of yourself.
The Brooklyn Nets managed to get tests for the entire roster.
This morning, I got some test results back for coronavirus.
Stars like Idris Elba, Heidi Klum, Kris Jenner, Tom Hanks, and his wife Rita Hilson were all tested just because they may have been in contact with a confirmed infected person. Meanwhile, coronavirus testing remains in short supply across the country. Our healthcare workers and many sick people are still not able to get their hands on a test. The accusations of elitism have also reached the White House.
How are non-symptomatic professional athletes getting tests while others are waiting in line and can't get them? Do the well-connected go to the front of the line?
Well, you'd have to ask them that question. I mean, I've read. No, I wouldn't say so, but perhaps that's been the story of life.
The reaction from the internet has been one of frustration. CNN contributor Dr. Seema Yasmin questioned how Senator Rand Paul got his hands on a test if he was feeling fine.
It's the great equalizer. And what's terrible about it is what's great about it.
Madonna posted this bizarre video to social media talking about the virus. Now her self-proclaimed biggest fan is her biggest critic, blogger Perez Hilton. He responded to the pop star saying this is not an equalizer. The rich have more resources and access to health care than the average person affected. Now, in an ideal world, this vital and limited test would be given on a basis of priority, not privilege. Otherwise, if you give it on a basis of wealth, well, that can cause a lot of lives lost. That's all for Astrid in the ATL.